All right, well, we are now at Josh's shop. I drove this car here to do a boost leak test to make sure everything on this car was good. I jokingly told Josh I'm gonna throw it on the dyno today. He's down for it, so change of plan. We're throwing this car on the dyno and let's see what it makes. Now, a little recap on the setup I have on here. This is Josh's stage 4 short block. We have a stage X heads. This is a straight custom turbo kit with a precision next gen 8085 turbo. We have all of the goodies. We have the Process West intake manifold, ID 2600s. I'm not sure what this car will make. In the past, we have made over 1,000 this car, but I really have been wanting to make this more of a street car and of course still raceless. So ideally, I would like to see this car at about 30 pounds on the street, which would still make around 900 wheel. But you guys know Josh and I, sometimes we get a little crazy. So stay tuned, let's see what ends up happening with this car. So I've been doing something that you're not supposed to do on slicks, and I've been driving these on the street as these are my only wheels and tires. Josh has a spare set of stock wheels and tires. We're gonna go ahead and throw this thing on. That way we can have a proper wheel and tire setup going onto the dyno. Then there we go, we got the slicks off with the stock wheels with some Mickey Thompsons. This thing is ready to start loading up onto the dyno. First, I think Corey he's now a dealer of Force Performance, what is it? Force Fuels? Force Fuels. Force Fuels. So he has some right next door. We're gonna go ahead, fill this thing up and then hit this thing on the dyno. Really? Oh yeah, he's got the baller pump.
Yeah, it's literally a gas station. This is all I do. I come over and grab it. I don't go down there anymore. Then you just go.
No way. Well, the day is here, and I'd be lying if I said I wasn't a little nervous. As you guys saw, the last time my car was on the dyno, it ended pretty badly. The car went up in flames. We are now back a year and a half later, completely new setup, and we're here to hopefully make just a decent amount of power for the street. We're not going anything crazy. 30 pounds, hoping for about 850 to 900 wheel, just to be able to beat the crap out of this and enjoy it on the street. I know Josh and I are probably gonna want to turn this up and see what type of number we can make, but that's where we're starting. This man came prepared. Ivan last time was the person that saved my car, actually. We didn't have any fire extinguishers readily available. He came running with 2 last time and he's prepared this time, which is amazing. We shouldn't have any issues like that today, but it's better to be safe than sorry. Why did he kill it?
Headers were really glowing red.
It's alright. Everything looked good. It looks good. Needs a little bit more fuel in it is all. Okay. No reason to run it out that way.
It scared me when you killed the car. I was like,
No, it still hasn't relearned its idle relearn because I didn't let it idle for very long. So that's why it died right there. Big cams, I'm running it as close to storage as I can. Okay. And it just needs to relearn idle a little bit longer. But what did it make there on that?
551, revving it out to 75-ish. There we go. First little baby hit, 550 wheel, revving out to 7,500 RPM. Barely anything, but so far, so good. Woo, that thing is loud. Did he say how many pounds that was? I'm assuming around 20-ish pounds again. Yeah, that's more accurate, revving it out, fixing the fuel trim. So there we go, 632 essentially. It sounds good. Revving out to, oh, he's not even revving it out. 70.
I think it lags just a touch of
Does
time,
it?
so it's probably pretty close to 85.
About 8,500 RPM. Damn, this thing sounds insane under load. Sounds so good. Oh, what the? Oh, let's go. 791. I think it actually targeted right where he wanted it there. Let's ask Josh here. Well, there we go. That last hit there made it 791 at 34 pounds. Not too bad. Keep in mind, this car has seen 64 pounds, so damn. I can't even hear myself with these muffs on. So last hit was about 34 pounds. He upped it a little bit. We're hoping for about 45 pounds here. And seeing if we cross the 1,000 mark, I don't want to aim for a number because that's not good. That's when you blow shit up. But I'd really like to see this car hit 1,000 wheel today. Turn it back down to the map it's on right now, about 800 wheel. Enjoy this thing on the street. The truth is, this is such a big and lazy turbo anyway. It's not really a street car, but let's see what 45 pounds does. Holy shit! Holy shit! I think he hit the wrong button. 1123. Holy fuck! Oh my god! Josh said this car would make 1100, but I have a feeling it got pretty leaned out there. Let's go see what happened here. Did you hit up key on some shit?
Of course I did.
Dude.
It hit 55 at the peak. 55?
1123, baby. Holy shit.
You wanted 1,000.
I told him I wanted 1,000. This fucker gave me 1150. Holy shit. I'm actually so speechless. That's the most power this car has ever made. Last year at the track, when we turned this car down about 40 pounds, it trapped about 1056, which is still a ton of power. But that right there was, what was the boost there? So about 50 then? Okay. So right around 50 pounds there. Holy shit. I am completely speechless right now. There we go. What RPM was that?
At 7.
7, so within...
From 6 to 7, you went from 379 horse at 6,000 up to...
I didn't give you 1,000. Come on.
Yeah, damn right I would have.
I just sprinkled a little in there. How much was our gain from our last one?
A lot, dude. Fucking 300 wheel.
Off a click of a button.
Brian wants to kill me right now.
Too much.
He wanted me to stay right at 791, and I told Josh, fucking put that bitch up a little bit. 1123. This is maxed out fuel system right now. And for anyone who doubts it, it is a precision next gen 885 on 55 pounds of boost. Do some simple math. Buddy, you don't have any. No. Remmy right now, but all he's doing right now is going through and doing all the drivability, because this isn't just a race car anymore. The drivability actually matters for me, as I'm going to be trying to daily drive this car. So he's just going through, doing all the field trims and whatnot, making sure everything looks perfect. And the best part about dyno day is this car is driving off, and I'm gonna be driving this thing home, which is, you can't ask for any better result than that after making 1100 wheel. Insane. Well, bud,
There you go, sir. There's your 1100 wheel
best
car.
dyno session we have ever
The
had.
best. Literally the best for you.
It was what, 4 hits? We were
Yeah.
done? No issues,
It was
no
literally
leaks?
just boost control.
Yeah.
That's all I was trying to get an idea. Boost control was a little bit off compared to what it was last time. So I was about 10%, I would say, about difference. And 10% on a 4-port, as you guys know, is a lot.
Yeah.
So I was being a little careful going into it, and then at the last, we're like, well,
Turn
I
that
gave you a
bitch
little
up.
click. Old me came out. So there's your number that you wanted.
Yes.
He was thinking back in his mind, he's like, I don't really want to push it, but I want the number. I knew what he wanted. He wanted 1,000 wheel.
Yeah, 100%.
So I had to one
So
up
you
it.
gave me
Yeah.
more than 1,000.
And this car's been on more boost on
Yeah.
this same setup.
Yeah, this is 55 on its peak.
Yeah, peak.
And this car has seen 64 pounds.
Yeah. Which
So,
makes all of 1,200 plus.
Yeah.
But the car needs an upgrade in the fuel system department badly. Not just because of the parts we're using. We are at the end of what a single set of 2600s will do at that pressure with this injector. But we had a mechanical pump, obviously, where we could run up base pressure higher and not worry about the relief on our pump, because we have 2 pumps that have a relief. That's what we battle. So I did back it down a little bit for his track, 50 pounds. Just on his kill map, he has a 34 pound that he can run at the track, get his licensing. That makes 790. So
Yeah, whatever.
that's what it is on here. I did set up your SI drive modes as well on there, so those are all ready to go. It's like 20 pounds, 25, 34.
Oh, perfect.
If you want them. But yeah. Motherfucking street dude. Yeah.
And well, just like that, we got the car back home. We drove this thing off the dyno. By far, this was our most successful dyno session, which is absolutely amazing, because I really took my time putting this car together, and we have been chasing this number for so damn long, and I cannot believe that Josh was able to make it happen. 1,123 wheel horsepower, I believe the number was. But this was also a very unexpected video. I was actually filming a completely different video when I went to Josh's shop, and then we decided to throw this thing on the dyno. I hope you guys enjoyed. We're gonna be at the track very, very soon. I believe in the next 2 weeks, we have another test and tune. We're gonna go out there, turn this car down to its 34-pound map, get our licensing passes done so we can then have our NHRA license, and then go make a point. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.